Suit up. Today's mission is a test of your Avengers IQ. 10 questions are waiting for you. Are you ready? Which actor plays Iron Man in the Marvel Cinematic Universe? The correct answer is Robert Downey Jr. RDJ, both rocks and flies in style. Tom Holland first appeared as Spider-Man in Captain America: Civil War.
Hands already warm, working for a better day.
It is true. Talk about entering the MCU with a swing. Who directed both Avengers, Infinity War and Avengers Endgame?
We just count our turn.
The correct answer is the Russo brothers. Two heads or directors are better than one for these films. Which character is not part of the original Avengers team in the MCU? Black Panther is the odd one out here. Not an original Avenger, but still king of Wakanda. Who am I?
Better day. Keep me warm.
The correct answer is Stan Lee. Did you know that he's Marvel's ultimate cameo genius? Find 4 groups of 4.
People talk about difference, but I just see the
The
same.
superhero group is correct. Turns out organizing chaos is a superpower too.
So need a name and we're deep.
Which character sacrificed themselves for the Soul Stone in Endgame?
Children laughing somewhere. Sounds of better days.
The correct answer is Black Widow. A soul for a stone, but what a legacy she left. How many stones must Thanos collect to wield the Infinity Gauntlet?
Sing a song for mercy. Sing it clear and kind.
The correct answer is 6. With 6 stones, even a snap isn't instant coffee. Which Marvel movie won an Oscar for Best Animated Feature? The correct answer is Spider-Man: Into the Spider-Verse. Animated adventures earning their stripes with style. Rank the first MCU films by release date, earliest first. The correct answer is Iron Man. Like all great beginnings, Iron Man soar high. Which movie earned more worldwide? Avengers, Endgame, or Avatar? Avatar has a higher worldwide earning. Looks like Pandora's riches outsparkle the Infinity Stones. What a heroic effort. Thanks for avenging with us.
Too early. Hands already warm. Working for